I'm Tracy.
Hi, and I'm Colelyn. Welcome again to another episode of Property Lim Sisters. Today we are featuring a 4-room HDB at Sengkang.
Are you ready to check it out? Let's go!
With 92 square meter in size, this 4-room flat provides ample space for the whole family while offering a very practical layout. And of course, with the renovation, this home is in great move-in condition. A total of 3 bedrooms with huge 3/4 windows providing excellent natural light throughout the day. And since we are on a high floor, those windows also encourage good ventilation within the home. One of the common bedrooms has been converted to a work or study area. With the half-length panel, it makes it a conducive environment for you to work or study.
The other common room comes with a built-in wardrobe for more storage options. It also shares the same high floor views with the living room and other bedrooms. Here in the master bedroom, the owner decided to do away without built-in features. This is to make the room spacious. And what that means to you is that you have a blank canvas to transform this place into your dream room. The kitchen is very well equipped with counters on both sides, providing plenty of preparation space. These built-in cabinets make it easy to clear your kitchen clutter too. Now, let's talk about the area. Right across the road, you will get to Sengkang Sports Centre and Sengkang Swimming Complex for your daily dose of exercise. Schools nearby include Springdale Primary, Chiau Primary, and Anchor Green Primary School. And best of all, it takes 2 stops to Sengkang MRT from the nearest LRT station. We hope you have enjoyed today's video.
Once again, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Colelyn. Together we are
Property Lim Sisters.